what we're doing is bringing in the innovative companies with their new ingredients, having them meet with the big feed companies. Then we've got the investment community who've been invited to really accelerate the adoption of these new ingredients into the industry.
So if we completely eliminate the wild source, it's really difficult to replace that diversity with a farmed alternative.
We've got investors, we've got large businesses, we've got small businesses, innovators, academics, NGOs, certifiers. There's all kinds of people coming together for this subject, and that's what allows us to gain a real critical mass and move the whole field forward.
Alternatives such as algae oils, insect oils, single-celled proteins, and many other innovations that we're hearing about this week are critical towards breaking the linkage between aquaculture and reliance on wild fisheries resources.
The best examples are actually taking current waste products and actually upscaling them into a valuable feedstock.
We start off with food waste, and one of the big challenges is that it varies day to day and it varies season to season.
Every event is very important because it helps us to know all of these new ideas that the people is having.
There's a lot of collaboration that's talked about during this meeting. There's a lot of deals done, and that just grows the momentum and gets us to where we need to be sooner.
And so you get this kind of brain trust that then allows that seeding of information out, and that alone is quite incredible.